Hi Crafty Friends, how's everyone doing tonight? Today we're going to do unboxing of 3 beautiful and fun paintings from DiamondArtGift. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one is called Teddy Bear, and does he not look familiar, guys? I believe he's Paddington Bear, and he's got a very cool, it's like a red-orange hat, and he's got a present in his hands, and it's got snowflakes and a beautiful blue color as a background. Okay, so this one I believe is 30 by 30 centimeters. It's full round. It's got 22 colors. Let me bring him up so you can see him. It's very clear. See that? And there goes the present with a beautiful red bow. And okay, so he's got 22 colors, and this one's $4.99. So okay, super sticky. All right, so let's move this aside so we can see the drills. So it comes with a tray, wax, and pen. And these are the colors, so I'm not going to take them out, but these come in individual bags already. So you can see the colors. Very pretty. So you got black, blue, browns, red, of course the red orange for his hat. Okay, so very pretty colors. All right, so that's $4.99. So let's put that aside, and let's put the little bear over there. It's called Teddy Bear. Okay, the second one is Gorjuss Doll. That's what it's called, Gorjuss Doll. And I thought it was appropriate for now because Christmas is around the corner. So I believe this is a Christmas tree with a star, and then you got a couple of other stars floating around. I'm not sure what she's holding. Let me see if I can see this a little closer here. What she's holding in her hands. It looks like it's like some light. I have no idea. But anyway, so she's got beautiful brown hair, a very festive green dress, matches the Christmas tree. She's got brown booties, and I love her socks. And this one is a 30 by 40. It's got 19 colors, and this one's also $4.99. So let me bring her up. As you guys know, I'm collecting the Gorjuss dolls, and I thought this would just be perfect for now because Christmas, like I said, is around the corner. So it's very clear, it's very sticky, and let us look at the drills. Okay, so these also come in individual bags. Not going to take them out because actually you can see them. So you've got, let's see, of course it comes with the tray, pen, and wax. They all do. And as you can see, that you got these peachy colors. That's probably for skin. And then you have lots of greens, and the greens are probably for the tree and her dress, and then lots of pretty blues, and all these blues are probably for the background. And then of course a brown, and that's for the hair, her hair, and her booties. Okay, and there must be a yellow in here, or like a light. This one here, probably for the stars. So you could actually do some glow in the dark drills, maybe for the star and maybe the stars. So very pretty. Okay, and like I mentioned before, this is $4.99 also. So let's put her aside. And this is the last one. This one is called Snowman. You know, there always has to be a snowman, guys. Now winter is around the corner. This one I love. This one's a 30 by 40. This one's got 20 colors, and it's $4.99. They're all full round. But look at this. Look at how adorable is this. This looks like this. There's 3 snowmen, and this one, for some reason, he's got a top hat, and it looks like he might be the oldest one. And these look like the younger ones. So, and they all are wearing well, these 2 are wearing cool hats, and they're all wearing scarves with very nice patterns. And you got snow coming down. It's just adorable. I just think it's adorable. Okay, so this one's let me bring it up so you can see it. Super clear. Look at their little faces. Just adorable. Okay. super sticky, and it looks like they all come in individual bags, which is nice because if you don't have containers, you could just leave them in the bags, especially if you're traveling. So we have lots of grays in here and some blues. I think this might be black, or this one might be black, and some greens and some red. So those, and of course the white for the snowman and the snow. So that's about it, guys. And of course it comes with the tray, pen, and wax. They all do, like I said, and they're all full round, and they're all $4.99. So we have Snowman, we have Gorjuss Doll, and of course it's called Teddy Bear, but it's Paddington Bear. Come on, guys. So anyway, so these are it, guys. So which one is your favorite? I think my favorite is probably the 3 snowmen. But anyway, so that's about it. Thank you again. And I'd like to thank also DiamondArtGift for allowing me to show you these beautiful paintings. So have a wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.